Hi friends, today I'll be teaching you how to make a back to school welcome Google slide for welcoming your students this year. This will be made with Powtoon. You can also make this in PowerPoint or Google Slides. It just has to be something that you can make a slide deck with. Let's get started. So if you don't have a Powtoon account, teachers, then go ahead and create one. I already have one, so now I'm going to go to create, and I'm going to click whiteboard video or presentation, but whiteboard video just students love. So here I'm going to click this one, edit this template. It's just loading. And here's a template, and it might have some pro items, which we can obviously remove because we're just editing this. We're not keeping everything. So I'm going to keep this Meet Jenny part, and I'm going to try to delete this pro background, or this chair actually. I wonder if I can delete that somehow. Okay, I think so. Maybe I can just go like everything and then delete. Oh, no, the Meet Jenny went too. Okay, sorry about that. I think we might have to go back and click Leave Changes. Might have been a little mistake or an error, but you do want to click Whiteboard Video. And then I'm going to select one that doesn't say Pro. All of them say Pro. So I'm going to try this one because it's not Pro. Again, if you're going on Powtoon and you click Whiteboard Video, scroll to the bottom to find some free ones. And if you see these Pro ones, it means that like they're hard to edit like you just saw before. So I'm just going to click X for that. So here's our template. And I'm going to erase this, but I like the background in it. So I'm going to delete it. I wonder how I can delete it or so. This is pretty bad. Okay, there we go. I'm going to change the text to welcome. Back to, I'm going to type grade 1. Or maybe I can write school because welcome back to school. That's our front page. That's what the students are going to see. And I actually really like this background with school supplies because that really matches with the theme that we're going to. And then we're going to click the second slide. And I'm just going to delete this. I guess I'll just keep these 2 stars. And then I'll write, let's just go to intros because there I can find something. What does that mean? Okay, well, you can click some of these intros. They do work very well. I'm trying out this one. You can try out so many, but again, if they say pro, you'll have just a bit of difficulties, which is not as good. So right here it's high, and then I'm going to type Miss Gordon's class. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to watch part 2.